Hey everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Job Sharing Series. Today I'm going to share a couple of jobs which is for freshers and experience. Before that, this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job links I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your end because there's a lot of scammers going around. So check from your side, right? Now let's get started with the first news. The first news is basically for the SOC manager, right? It required a person with a 30 days of immediate joining, right? They are going to pay you around 4,000 to 5,000 Middle East money, right? I don't know what exactly currency they're using. And this mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? And guys, this is what there are a couple of multiple positions, right? 7 years of experience required for SOC, which is probably for the SOC manager, and then 3+ years of no, this is a single requirement, which is SOC manager. This is required, right? So this is for experienced folks. Right now the next opening is basically hiring for pen tester. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Pen tester, security test coordinator, right? So probably freshers, but drop your resume, right? Now next one is cybersecurity instructor. Instant software solution looking for cybersecurity instructor, industry AI SOC pen tester. Requirement is, this is what you can see, and this is the URL on which you can drop your, this is a form actually which you need to form to get a job. If you want this form in the comment box, just let me know. Next is someone is looking for 2 to 4 years experience of a person who should have knowledge in pen test and testing. What you will do, you will do pen testing on web, app, API, mobile, and network and cloud. You need to take part in red teaming assessment as well. And this like you need to identify the critical and some vulnerability, right? 2 to 4 years of experience is required, and this is vast operational knowledge is very important. Hands-on offensive security background is important. This is what you can see: Burp suit, Nmap, Metasploit, SQL knowledge is important, and Bash and Python scripting is important, right? What you'll do, you'll set up, you'll get salary and all the medical support and all those things. So what you need to do, you need to drop your resume on this number, right? Next opening is cybersecurity hiring. Again, there are multiple positions, right? So this is good for freshers, right? So web application security, mobile application security, cloud security, data loss prevention, SOC red teaming, right? So this is what you need to exactly work on, right? Multiple roles. So you can drop your resume on this mail ID, right? Now the next opening is basically technical sales executive. This is more like you should have knowledge of cybersecurity, but you'll be doing sales kind of steps, right? So you can see what you'll be responsible for, who should apply, right? And what you will get, the other things you are going to get. And this is the location, which is Ahmedabad, and it's a full time, right? By the way, this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now the next opening is basically cybersecurity analyst, ethical hacker, or pen tester. A role is what you can see here: remote and type. The other key responsibility, the other preferences, the other experience. 1 to 3 years of experience is required, or 3 to 5+ years of experience required for the senior position. As always, bug suit and metasploit knowledge is important, right? And you can see bonuses is bug bounty experience, strong analytics and reporting skills required. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Now next opening is, by the way, here you can see the mail ID, hr@redback.in, right? Now next opening is basically for the VAPT specialist. Contract based role is this, Mumbai, and this is contract based. As I told you, VAPT, they need minimum 4 years of experience. Requirement is, this is what you can see, and this is a mail ID on which you can drop it. Next opening is in Bangalore as a security engineer, application security, 6 to 9 years of experience is required. And this is what you will see, Chandana at peoplegomut.com. Now, next one is in Riyadh, 2 to 5 years of experience required. There are two opening for the security engineer. They are the key responsibility. They are the required skill. They are the good to have all those things. And this is mail ID on which you can drop it. Next opening is in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, application security AppSec role. And 8 years of experience required, 2 to 8 years of experience required, right? If you're looking for any training or internship firm, check out this URL. If you want knowledge, if you want to get a job very quickly, check out both the URLs, right? Anyways, they are the key responsibility, they are required skill, and they are the qualification. Meanwhile, I have added the email ID as well as the mobile number. So just check out exactly what, how you can apply, and if they're not responding, you can contact on their mobile number. So next is in Bangalore, 2 to 4 years of experience required. This is permanent job. This is iuc.goswami@axiomtechnologies.com. Right now, next opening is not next opening something. We have a channel, Cyber Coffee. Just check out. This is a very interesting channel in Hindi. And if you want training of internship program in web and pen testing, check out this one. If you want in SOC, check out this one. So that's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.